All right, my Montana High Country, the battery wasn't being charged, and my refrigerator was saying low DC, and then it went into LOPI or PI, LIPO. So I had to replace this power converter, and I just did it. I'm sorry I didn't videotape it. I had nothing coming out of it, but it's pretty simple. It's just the positive and negative with an Allen wrench, and then the ground. So it's in, it's running. Let's go inside and see if we have power. All right, let's turn on the fridge, see what happens. All right, I don't have any errors. That's a good thing. Let's turn on the kitchen light and see. Oh yeah, nice and bright. Okay, I believe I just fixed it. So if your Norcold is giving you errors, it could be your battery, and that's the first thing to check. And after the battery, you go to your converter. And then you go to the switches inside your refrigerator. Obviously, it's all set. No more error. That's great. All right, I am really excited that it's working. It's running. The other one was doing nothing, and I tested the output and it was 0. So, yeah, I'm thrilled. So, later this afternoon, I need to check the battery to make sure it's not overcharged, and we're good to go. All right, ladies, if you think that you can install a new deck mount converter charger for your battery system in your RV, you can. I just did it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe to Chatham Adventures, because every day's an adventure and everything I do seems to be an adventure. So I'll put the wall plate back up, and I'm good to go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.